Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix payment method on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well, because it's really gonna be a simple and easy video. Now, in order to fix your payment method, what you need to do is head over to your settings app, right? Now just tap on your settings, and then what you need to do is tap on your Apple ID name on the top of the options, right? Simply tap on it, and once you're inside here, you'll see an option that says payment and shipping, right? Now simply tap on that, and in order to log in, it will require your Face ID. Simply log in with your Face ID, and then you should be sent to this option that says add payment, right? And now the payment method should be listed right here. Now all you gotta do to fix your payment method is just remove your payment method and then add it again. Now simply tap on the remove, tap on the payment method, and then select the remove option and then remove the payment method. And once you're done, tap on done and then go back, and here you'll see an option that says add payment method, right? And just tap on this one once again, and then tap your payment method, fill up the options, and then tap on done. And once you do that, all you gotta do is restart your phone, and then restart your phone and then load it again. And after it loads, try again and your issue should be fixed. And that's how you do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.